Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix Roblox error code 400 bad requests on PC. So in this video I will show you two solutions. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, you need to go to roblox.status.roblox.com and look if the Roblox servers is fully operational. So basically you need to clarify if the problem is on your end or on theirs, right? So first look for the Roblox server status. If it's fully operational, then you need to basically check your internet download speed. So to do that, you just need to go to speed test, as you can see here, and check your internet connection speed. And maybe if you have one bad one, limit some devices, or maybe try to restart your router, or maybe try to different one and different internet connection, and look if the problem persists or not. All right. And if the problem persists, then you need to go to internet connection troubleshooter. On search, just write troubleshoot settings, and then you need to look for as you can see here, additional troubleshooting things. Go to internet connection and run the troubleshooter and look if basically troubleshooting system detects some problems. And then you just need to fix them here. And if the problem persists, then I highly advise you to change your DNS server addresses. So first of all, go to internet connection. As you can see here, network status, and then go to, as you can see here, change adapter options. Right click on it, go to properties, and then look for Internet Protocol version 4, and then use following DNS server addresses. And I like to use this one, 8.8.8.8 to I believe which one? And 8.8.4.4, and then press OK and look if the problem is fixed or not. Right, so these are all the few solutions that I wanted to show you guys, and if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care, bye.